Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. We got the big board of knowledge behind us, guys. Don't forget, we're going to be talking about, we could be seeing a huge freaking pow dump in the next week, guys. We could be seeing that. We're going to be talking about what is that, so guys. So buckle up. If you guys want to know why crypto is going to be dumping hard like a freaking mother beep out there, you need to watch this video to the end, guys. So let's get into it, guys. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. All my other videos, there's right here. You've got to go back and watch it. It's absolutely a great time to be live, guys. So remember, I've got to tell you, this ain't financial advice. Dogecoin 111, in case you forgot about it, guys. Let's first of all, let's talk about Bitcoin. Okay, so right now you guys can see that Bitcoin right now, hopefully my face is not in the way. You can see right now that Bitcoin is pretty much flat. Okay, it's flat out there, and you know we have this whole area here where Bitcoin is just been kind of just going sideways, and it's really kind of just irritating the way that Bitcoin is just going sideways. Now, I did previously predict that Bitcoin is either going to fall this pattern up or this pattern down. Now, I did predict this, and look, Bitcoin dropped exactly as I predicted. Isn't that weird and wacky? It went exactly as I predicted. It went down. That's just hokey. That's just hokey pokey. So right now, Bitcoin and most of crypto markets are flat right now. Flat. And this is kind of like a bit of a Bart Simpson pattern, right? Here's the head, you know, kind of Bart Simpson pattern. So are we going to recover? I don't know. But guys, listen up. Watch this to the end. There is some interesting news that could happen next week that could cause the crypto markets to tumble. Okay, so I don't want to be like this whole gloom and doom guy, but overall, if we take a look at what's going on with cryptocurrency, we're seeing that everywhere it's down. Bitcoin is down. We're seeing a lot of red. Now we're not seeing a ton of red. Okay, we're not seeing a ton of red, but we are definitely seeing a lot of red out there. So that is what's going on. That is absolutely what's going on with crypto. It's not looking good out there. So overall, we're seeing that the crypto markets right now, we're seeing that it's down. It's pretty boring. We're seeing Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is down. Ethereum is down. BNB is down. Now, interesting that Dogecoin is still in the 7th spot. Fantastic. We're seeing that the market cap of Doge is 8.9 and Cardano is 8.24. So interesting news that Dogecoin is number 7. Okay, so don't discount the freaking Doge, because Dogecoin is the biggest meme coin, absolutely the biggest meme coin ever. And you know, we're going to be talking about who's in the money, who's out of the money. Also, too, we are seeing more fear in the market, guys. We're seeing a lot. Let me get over here. We're seeing a lot more fear in the market right now, so that is not good. A lot of fear out there. The sentiment is negative, but remember, this is a contrarian indicator, absolutely a contrarian indicator. And what you want to be doing out there is, this is a good time, dollar cost average, to buy the dips. But like I said, something big is going to be happening next week, guys. So watch out for that. Watch out for that. Next week, something big is going to be happening. So what's going on with Dogecoin right now? As you guys can see with the Doge right now, we are seeing that Doge right now is well below the EMA ribbons. Okay, so it's well below the EMA ribbons right over here, guys. So let me get my face out of there. I'm kind of backwards here. So we can see that the Dogecoin right now, it's continued to go down. We have the EMA ribbons right here, and we are seeing that Dogecoin is just below the EMA ribbons. Now, Dogecoin definitely needs to get itself above the 20-day EMA to make any huge moves, but we're just kind of going sideways. We're consolidating, a bit of a Bart Simpson pattern here. Here's the head, here's kind of like the nose, and we're just going to go sideways, guys. So like I said, there is something big that's happening for Dogecoin, for cryptocurrency, and this is going to cause could cause a huge dump. But fortunately, unfortunately, we're seeing more of the Dogecoin holders out of the money right now. 56% are in the money. Okay, 56% are in the money, and 41% are in, and 56% are out. So that is absolutely not a good look out there, guys. Absolutely not a good look. So hopefully you can see it. My face is not blocking a thing. So here it is. Let me just get that bigger for you so you guys can see right here. that 41% of the Dogecoin holders are in the money, 56% out. What else is happening? If we take a look at social sentiment right now, we are seeing that in terms of social sentiment, we're seeing that Dogecoin right now, Dogecoin social sentiment is down. It's down on the daily, on the weekly, it's not looking good. If we take a look at the Dogecoin sentiment on the daily, it's also not looking good. We're seeing that overall, the sentiment, you guys can see here, that the sentiment, the overall sentiment for Dogecoin is not good. I mean, you guys can see it right here. It's just nasty. It's not good at all, guys. So that's what that's all about. Pretty gnarly news out there. If you take a look at what's going on in terms of market cap, we're seeing that the market cap is 8.9 billion out there. We're seeing that right here, 8.9 billion here, right? And we're seeing that the total volume is also down 31 freaking percent. Can you imagine that? 31.41% freaking drop in volume, guys. So that's why we saw here that this big drop right here. We saw that right here. Dogecoin is definitely going down, and most of the markets are tanking right now. Most of the markets are tanking. It's not looking good. Once again, I did tell you that Bitcoin has this pattern here, and I did predict that Bitcoin is either going to go up or go down. My next support level for Bitcoin is going to be 25,000 and some change, guys. So 25,000 and some change is our next freaking support level, guys. Not looking good at all. In terms of leverage traders right now, we only have right now 17.41 million people being wrecked. Not too much. We're seeing that over the last 24 hours, we're seeing mainly a lot of longs. A lot of longs are happening right now, so that is not good, and that is also putting more downward pressure on Bitcoin. So it's not looking good, guys. Overall, it's not looking good. So what's happening news-wise? We're seeing that it looks like out there that after the announcement that SBI Group is going live with XRP this month, it is realistic that every bank in Japan could start to be using XRP. So it looks like the SBI has signed a deal right now, and they're about to go live with XRP as the medium of transaction out there for banks, because that's what XRP was designed for. It was designed to do that, and it looks like that could be happening right now. Guys, what about this? This just also coming in. Elon Musk for freaking president. Guys, what do you guys think? Would you vote for Elon Musk to be the president? Tell me what you think about that. I would love to hear your thoughts. Absolutely love to hear your thoughts. Also, another thing that's happening right now is we're seeing that here. What's going on here? This post is unavailable. What's going on out there? So it looks like that post is made unavailable. Oh no. Also, we're seeing that Titan of Crypto right now, he's come out and he's kind of said, if you take a look at this, he's kind of hinting out there that we see these bottoms, and we see these pumps to the top. We see these bottoms pump to the top, and and he's speculating that we could be definitely seeing another pump to the upside, guys. So what's he saying? What's he saying? He's saying right here. Let me just get that back for you. Where is that? Titan of Crypto. He's kind of saying, if you take a look at the OBV, the unbalanced volume, spoiled us in the 3 previous BTC cycles. Pumps, monitor the next pump maybe sooner than we think. So based on this, we could be seeing that we could be getting a pump sooner than we expected. And this is the OBV, and we can see that the pattern of the OBV, it goes down, consolidates down, has a nice pump, consolidates down, has a nice pump, consolidate down, have a nice pump. And we're seeing a very similar pattern right now happening as well. So that is pretty cool beans out there. What else is coming in? We got the root. Guys, the root, and in case you guys don't know, that right now we are about 84% completed the third halving. So that is pretty cool beans. And remember, every time that Bitcoin goes through halving, we often have a huge rally. So we often go through, we go through all-time highs, we dump, we consolidate, halving, again go up, go down, consolidate, go up. So it's just a 4-year cycle, and I freaking believe that the next bull run is going to be freaking huge, guys. It's going to be freaking huge. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin returns right now, so you can see that that August was pretty crappy. It was down 11.29%. September is also not looking good, but overall we're still up, guys. Let's have 40%, 40, 50, 60, 63%. This is like 65%. here 65, 75, 76%. So even though we minus this, we're still up more than 65%. So that's not too freaking shabby, guys. We're still up over the year. So stop whinging, stop whining, guys. And remember, if you have your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there, particularly with all this FUD that's been surrounding what's been going on with Binance. What else is coming in? It looks like according to the Titan of crypto here again, looks like usually markets offer a second chance, but not always. Many who missed the bottom are still hoping for much lower prices for Bitcoin, although they had all the signs and plenty of time to get back in. So, you know, people are saying that the bottom is not in. I think it was in. Remember, it was at around about $15,700, $16,000. That was the freaking bottom. And I believe that still it's a good time to get in. Even at these low prices, it's still a good time to get in. So guys, did you guys see this? It looks like Miss El Salvador is teaching a classroom full of students about Bitcoin. So that's pretty awesome that the Miss El Salvador is teaching everybody about Bitcoin, guys. I love it. I love it. Big adoption for Bitcoin out there in El Salvador, guys. So that's great. Guys, did you know that things are out of control? Look at credit card debt versus personal savings. So you guys can see here, this is credit card debt, that's personal savings. That's just insane, right? So you can see that in America, people have no savings and they have a ton of credit card debt. They're living check to cheek, and that sucks, guys. So here's the big news, guys. This is what's happening. So potentially big selling next week. We could see a big freaking sell-off next week. And why? Why is there a big sell-off? It says, you know, crypto exchange FTX will likely get approval to liquidate its assets 13th of September. So we could be seeing, and now is the 10th, so we could be seeing next week, Monday or Tuesday, that FTX is got permission by the judge to liquidate $3.4 billion worth of crypto. So current proposed plan is to sell up to $200 million worth of crypto every week. So it looks like there's going to be a bit of a sell-off, guys. This could spook the market. This could panic the market. And this is not a good look, guys. I'm telling you, it's not a good look. So guys, get ready, get prepared that we could see catastrophic dumps next week if this happens, guys. So luckily, it's only going to be 200 million every single time, right? It's only 200 million, so that's good news. Guys, go back and watch my previous video. Prepare now. Be prepared now. I still think that Dogecoin 101 Doge is still a good pickup, guys. Absolutely a good pickup. It's a beautiful, guys. It's absolutely beautiful, and I think 5 cents is absolutely our bottom in there. And I think Elon Musk is going to do some great stuff for us, guys. Absolutely great stuff for us. Let's take a quick look at Shiba Inu right now. Let's see what's going on with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. You guys can see here that Shiba Inu has been breaking down. It's well below my EMA ribbons here. So it's not looking good from that perspective. We got some support at a ton of zeros and 755. Even though Shiba Inu went live, etc., it hasn't had really much of an impact. So overall, Shiba Inu is not looking good right now. That's all I gotta say. So guys, don't forget, you know, smash the likes, subscribe. Love this channel, guys. Don't forget to get out the merch, guys. Get the merch, and follow me on Twitter, guys. Get out there and follow the OG on Twitter. Show some love. And right now, it looks like we've got 8,426 followers. So you can be the next follower out there. So guys, I just want to say, be blessed, be well. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.